In this video, I'll show you how you can install mods on GTA 5 for PC. Now keep in mind that mods are only meant to play offline, you're not allowed to use mods online. So we're gonna have to install three things. The main one is Menyo 2.0 menu, the second one is the script hook 5 plus native trainer, and the last one is the community script hook 5.net. So in order to download Menyo, all you have to do is press download and then press download again. For script hook 5 plus native trainer, click on download. You will then be redirected to this website. Scroll down until you see this section right here and click on this download button. For the community script hook 5.net, click on download. You will then be redirected to this website. Go down to assets and click on this zip file right here. Once you downloaded all the zip files, this is how it will look, and we're gonna have to extract each one individually. So all you have to do is right click on the file, then click on extract all, and then choose the destination where you want to extract. This is how it looks like once you extracted all the files. And the next step is to open the installation folder where GTA 5 is installed. So let's say you have it on the Rockstar launcher. Go to settings, click on GTA, and then click on view installation folder. This is where GTA 5 is installed, and this is where we're gonna put the files in. So let's start off with script hook 5, open it, go to bin, and implement all the files except args.txt. All you have to do is drag it into the GTA 5 installation folder. Then we're going to script hook 5.net. We're going to copy all of them except the readme.txt. Drag it in the installation folder. And the final one is the Menyo menu. Open it, and we're going to copy only two files, menyo.asi and menyo stuff. Drag it in the GTA 5 installation folder. And if you open GTA 5, all of them are installed, and you will be able to get mods on GTA 5.